Hey guys, before we get into the game, we have a hashtag giveaway.
Hashtag giveaway!
You should thank Dustin. Dustin, you have a free code for a free code.
A free code! Alright, that's it. That's all. Free code.
585555555.
No, I realized that I had a couple of extra video game keys for PC players hanging around. So
We're gonna give one away.
yeah.
So
It's for
the first game we're gonna give away is
Deus Ex Mankind Divided. I didn't love the game. It's a really fun game, but
is it for Steam or
it's for
Origin?
Steam. This is for a Steam
This is
key.
free Steam key for Deus Ex Mankind. What was it?
Deus Ex Mankind. It's the latest in a long series of games. I think it looks really good. It's pretty fun. It's not my favorite of the series,
Are you
but
paid by them?
it's great. I'm not paid by them. I'm not paid by.
Say something bad about it.
Yeah.
You can't because you're paid by them.
I didn't ask for this. They'll get it. Anyone who likes the games will get it.
So all you need to do is comment in the comment section, obviously using the hashtag giveaway, and say what your favorite thing about mankind is.
Yeah, just that.
Just mankind in general.
What's your favorite thing about mankind? Use the hashtag giveaway. We're gonna pick a person randomly, and then we'll just message you the code.
Yeah. Hope you enjoy it.
I hope you don't.
Let's get to it.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to Bouncin' Mouncin', the only YouTube channel on YouTube. We did it.
The rest of them are gone.
You found it.
You found us.
Guys, you might be asking a lot of questions right now. Why are they not playing Werewolf, and where is Katie? Joey has the answer to both of those questions.
Well, werewolf. Too many people died while we were playing it, so our
Including Katie.
including Katie, so our lawyers told us no more of that.
Yes.
I answered both questions in like one.
Yeah.
That was a
Too
great
many,
job.
too many people died
Because-
playing Werewolf.
You've been working with the lawyers a
Like
lot.
I said.
Well, to be fair, he killed two of them.
Of the lawyers?
The third lawyer told me not to talk about that though, so.
I'll edit that out.
Yeah, we'll just.
Today we're playing Exploding Kittens
Ah!
with the Imploding Kittens expansion pack. So, if you don't know how Exploding Kittens works, basically they call it a game of Russian roulette. We're going to be drawing cards one at a time, and if you draw an exploding kitten, you die. Done.
Mm-hmm.
But there are diffuse cards in the game. The only way to stop an exploding kitten, if you draw an exploding kitten, the only way to stop it is by putting a diffuse card down. Then you can put the exploding kitten wherever you want back in the pile, under the table. You can show people where you're putting it. You can be obvious or secret about it. Then there's other cards in the game that you can put down before you draw. There's skips. There's like attack. You can attack other people. And then there's like nope. You can nope anytime someone does anything. And there's other ones.
I think it'll become clear when we
There's
start
see the
playing.
future and alter the future. There's also a reverse. And if anyone ever gets confused about which way we're going, they have to put on the cone of shame. And it keeps track of which way we're going. Is everyone?
Yeah, I
is
think
everyone
that was
That's
great.
pretty good.
That was a good job.
Good job. Claps all around. So there's no way to decide who goes first. So leave in the comments who should go first.
Well, wait.
We'll just edit it to look like, I don't know.
Alright. We also have Dustin in the video.
Hey!
Joey, I'm Brett, and this is Kelsey. I forgot that everyone knows who we are. We're basically famous by now.
Almost famous.
We're all that's left.
Oh, someone in the comments just said Dustin should go first. So
Oh!
Yeah.
Thanks,
Thanks,
John,
John.
for writing that in the comments.
Johnny girl.
Don't delete your comment.
Yep.
Oh, it's gone.
Oh, man.
Oh, well.
You said it and
Oh,
then it happened.
he's shy.
Oh, man.
Alright, well, I'll go first.
You have to.
John said so.
Legally. Oh, yeah, I don't know if you said it, but drawing ends your turn. So you can play as many cards as you want at the top of your turn, but after you draw, that's the end.
Yes. And if you have two of a card, you can put it down and you get to steal from a player randomly. And 3 means you can name a card and steal from them, but if they don't have it.
Oh,
Was that
Mhm.
was that fun?
Mm-hmm.
Are you looking
Wait,
at
no.
those cards?
No.
No, I'm not looking at his card. I was asking if that was an exploding kitten.
It was not an exploding kitten.
Okay, you're being honest.
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
What'd you draw?
Huh?
Huh? So this
I didn't
game,
get any
this
cards.
game gets more exciting once an exploding kitten has been drawn. Just so you know. Did you look at my card?
Yeah.
I need to pull it back.
Yeah, you gotta scrape it along the crown. Put a metal dragging sound here.
You gotta wait till I look at the card. What if there's a kitten?
Alright. Yeah, I'm good.
Oh.
Whoa!
But we have a marker on the table.
It's for the camera.
So you can put the exploding kitten wherever you want back in the deck. So now this game gets interesting.
It wasn't interesting before.
No.
Now it is.
Dude, the ratings were going down.
John kept deleting all of his comments. He unsubscribed.
Don't unsubscribe, man. He hit that bell right off.
Hey, hit that bell, guys.
No, don't hit the bell. Do not hit the bell. Ding. Where'd you put the card?
Ugh. I'll never tell.
Well, I have like no way to get around this, so I should just draw.
Yeah, it was.
Okay. So I shall put it back.
Oh
Or-
no! No
Solid.
loyalty.
Good job. Yeah.
Props. Are we all gonna boo?
No.
Boo.
Yay!
Whoa!
He's alive!
Yay!
I survived.
The lawyer said you were dead.
Nope.
They said everyone said forget about you, but I knew.
Don't
Forget
forget
I knew.
about me.
Oh, we can't license that song.
Don't.
Alright, Kelsey, it's your turn now.
What? Oh,
Yeah, because I drew an exploding kitten, I put it back somewhere in the pile. Where did I put it? Only I know, unless you know.
I don't think he's gonna do anything.
It's probably.
That'd be really funny.
I bet you probably put it like third or top.
I always put it in one or two places. Oh, he's doing the shuffle.
I'm doing a shuffle. Classic shuffle.
Yes,
I appreciate that.
Yes, I put it third. It was going for you.
I know you did.
You know, it's like no one ever puts it on the bottom to be chill.
I used to always do. I used to always put it on the bottom so we can get our cards, but I realized it helps the other people more.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
Katie.
What's he gonna? And as no,
I'm
no
coming
flesh.
out. Stop. I want the world to know I'm a dog. Yep.
They record a video over here, Joe. You
Oh.
want to be on it?
Nah.
Come on.
Alright.
I'll edit you out. Don't even test me. You want to give me an exploding kitten? I'll edit you out of this video, okay? I won't pay you.
This is gonna
I
be a
won't
big
pay you for
black
this
box
picture.
covering my entire area.
I wonder who killed all those people.
The lawyers will never tell. You know what?
What are you gonna do?
Brett! Give me a card, dude.
Oh, okay. He's asking for a favor.
Yeah.
A favor.
He's a beard cat.
No, it wasn't.
A freaky favor. I'm sorry.
Joe, you still gotta go.
I'm sorry.
Do I?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Doesn't avoid your turn.
I don't know.
You can ask for as many favors as you want. You still gotta draw.
I don't know.
Do it, you coward.
Coward! Get back here! Coward! I hate you!
It's gonna alter the future, which means
Traitor.
you can look at the top 3 cards and then rearrange the top 3 cards.
You already
And he has to take one.
afterwards.
Yes, he still has to draw unless he plays a skip or attack.
Oh, yeah, I can't do that, can I? I forgot I could move them.
Yeah, you got.
Yeah.
Well,
You already did move them when you picked them up. It was really funny.
Yeah.
Oh, he took him out of order.
Yeah.
Don't do that when you see the future.
Okay. So he's taking the one he gave to himself and Assuming that
Nope.
you will take.
Just put a nope on the top.
Okay. Everything's fine and dandy on my side.
I think it's safe.
Well, yeah, we have so many cards left.
Is it too late now to
So I forgot to explain. There's 4 of us in the game, so there's 3 exploding kittens in the deck. So one of us will be alive at the end. But one of those exploding kittens is an imploding kitten, and when you draw an imploding kitten, you put it face up and then put it anywhere you want in the deck.
Yeah.
And that one cannot be defused. So if you get that, you're out of the game.
And you see it coming.
Yes. I'm done talking. You're like,
I'm holding it wrong.
Yeah. Tell this deck of cards the
It's
other
to
way.
aid the audience.
Look at my card.
Have a diffuse in there.
Yeah, I mean everyone knows it.
Hey, there's
That's
been a
true.
couple of
Could have gotten rid of it somehow.
That's true.
Yeah, you could
I mean, 2 people have already
you
burned
could
them.
have thrown it away because of that one.
No, I don't have it.
Give me a card.
I want to take one of Dustin's cards.
Oh, fan them out. It has to be random.
And I want the diffuse.
So if she put 3 of a kind down, she could have asked for it.
Oh, thank God. I think I wasn't paying attention when I showed the camera.
What was I gonna do? Look at the camera?
No, but
Can't see it from
I
here.
did literally show them my diffuse.
Oh, I didn't see it.
Okay.
Still
Alright,
your
so
turn.
it's still my turn.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, it's still your turn.
You don't know? Do you know that there's an exploding kitten on top or something?
No, but I don't trust anything anymore.
There's so many cards left in that.
But
I
that-
don't
Put
trust
that in a quote.
anyone.
Not even yourself.
I just don't trust anyone anymore.
Favor, which means
You can.
You just ask somebody for a card.
ask somebody for a card. Dustin, give me a card.
Come on!
Give her the refuse.
Give me
Give her
which
the-
one I want.
Oh, he kept it secret. He's playing classy.
Give me a missing card. Okay.
Give her another favor.
Oh, don't do that.
I wonder what she's
You
gonna do
could
next.
abuse that.
Okay.
But it's funny, dude.
I'm gonna see the future, but I'm
Alright.
not gonna change.
I thought she was gonna say, but I'm not gonna look.
I like this card.
But I'm not gonna do it.
Maybe you should get to look at the top 3 cards.
Tom Clancy, buddy.
I'm sorry.
All right, I left, and I'm safe.
For now.
Dun dun dun. I keep on putting it on the wrong side of my deck.
I'm good. Can I see it too?
Okay.
Oh, what? What? Oh, the exploding kitten! Ba 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 ba.
Ba ba ba
Oh, it's diffusing it. That means she gets to put it down.
I wonder where I'm gonna put it.
You can put it in the top. You can put it on the bottom. You can put it in the middle,
You can put it somewhere in between the middle and the top.
or in between the middle and the bottom.
Or in between the middle of the top and the
It is
top.
now your
It's your
turn.
turn.
Oh no.
I'm
Hi,
gonna
little prince.
do this. I
Oh,
wonder where
an
to put it.
exploding kitten!
Oh.
You play with
Oh.
fire.
Gotta defuse it.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
It's fine.
Alright, I'm gonna alter the future, which means I get to look at the top 3 cards, and I get to change the order. Wow.
There are only 6 diffuses in the deck, right?
6, yes.
And we've already used 4.
I'm good. Kelsey, it's your turn.
Okay. What's this one do?
Kelsey, as a good sport, I want to let you know that you are safe. The next 2 cards are fine.
He usually likes to mess with.
I will not. I
Second
know.
person.
I'm not messing with you.
No, I mean you usually
Look
like.
I'll
at this.
trust
Look
you.
at this.
You usually
Says the
like
person
like,
who said I don't trust anyone anymore 10 seconds
She trusts
ago.
me.
But as long
Rewind
as you
the
tell
tapes.
me outright, maybe.
He's seeing the future. He is seeing the future. He's seeing that I'm telling him the exact truth.
It was too much to handle.
Wait!
He didn't do
I
anything.
didn't do anything. Back off, Dad. Back off, Dad. Jesus. Well, now I don't like you. Well, now targeted attack to you.
So 2 turns, baby.
Nope.
Oh!
Fine, then I draw from the bottom.
Oh, so some bad's on the top of this.
Uh-oh.
I'm out.
He thought it was safe.
You're out of the... Okay, Dustin's out of the game?
Oh,
no. Okay.
Yeah, I just put him back in.
No, you don't put him in discard because someone could draw from the discard pile.
Really?
I didn't know that was a thing.
By place, I told you, but if you place 5 different cards, you can draw from the discard pile. The
Oh, I didn't know
The Exploding
that.
Kim goes in there.
Draw like
your
a
cards
top
just go
card or a
down.
random card.
Any card you want.
Any card you want.
Yeah.
For 5.
I explained this before.
I don't think you did.
I've never heard
The
this.
rules
So Dustin's
are
out of the
changing.
All he
So-
gets to do is commentate for now.
Okay, I want to alter the future.
5 cards, and you get to choose a card from there?
Yes.
Like a diffuse card?
No, it has to be 5 different cards,
Yeah.
so none of them can be the same. So it's like you're getting rid of a bunch of cards just to maybe get one good card.
That's cool.
That's
I mean, I wish I had known that, but that's fine.
I said it.
Let me tell you, I saw the future,
Wait,
and
that
it was
doesn't end
great.
my turn, does it?
No, you still have to draw.
Okay, yeah.
Future.
Okay. You altered the future?
Altered it. Altered
Did you
it.
draw?
Yeah, he drew.
Yes.
Alright, just to be safe, I'm skipping. There's so many cards left. Why is everything at the
But he
top?
said it was grim.
Did I say that? No, I didn't.
I'm going to attack.
The
There goes to Joey.
top of this deck is like the most recent X-Men movie.
It's Apocalypse. In case someone's watching,
Oh, that's right.
way in the future when
New
X-Men
Mutants. What is
when
that?
X-Men 2 times comes out.
So I either have to draw 2
It's way in the
cards,
future. You have to-
or
You have to take
if
2
I
turns.
play a skip card, that's 1 turn.
Counts as 1 turn.
Okay.
You have 2 turns.
Okay, I hope I'm doing my math right.
You have 2 turns. I don't know
Well,
how much
you
math you
loaded
gotta
it.
do.
He
If
loaded
you play
it
another,
the way that he
Well, 'cause I
wanted.
altered.
if you play another attack, then it goes to you don't have to do 2 turns.
Really?
It just. Yes, Dustin. Yes, 2 turns. Dustin has like a chalkboard. Okay. Joe, you gotta do something.
Okay, fine. Does it reverse
We're on
do
camera.
anything, or just it doesn't do anything?
Reverse means it goes this way.
But I mean, right now it's not actually doing anything.
But
you
still
reversed
this
it, but you
turn?
still have a turn.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. I'm sorry.
I don't like this. Can we play this card? I don't like that. That's gross.
You still have to draw 2 cards.
I know.
No, the reverse means
1
you don't.
card.
Yeah.
1 card. Okay, I think. I hope this is the implement. No, it's not.
Oh.
You're out of the game.
I
Yeah.
know.
There's
You
so
didn't
many
have-
cards left, and 2
You
people
didn't
are
have
out.
5 different cards?
I did. I wanted to wait. I don't know why I wanted to wait.
It's between
Oh,
Kelsey and I.
okay.
Kelsey, it's your turn. No cone of shame so far.
Camera's moving.
It's moving.
Yeah. The shots changed.
It's actively moving. Kelsey's also showing me all of her cards.
Yeah.
I would.
I do that.
I'd hate for it to happen to my camera, but it would be really funny to have footage of just like us playing and then just.
I want to alter the future.
All right, go for it. You get to look at the top 3 cards and then move them
2,
around.
3.
This game's getting dirty. There's only 1 kitten left.
This is a nasty game.
And
it's
it's
the
the
imploding kit, so it
imploding
doesn't
kit.
matter if you
So
draw.
if you draw that, it's not a huge deal.
Diffuses mean nothing now. They're out the door.
That is very true.
Is that true?
Yes.
Hmm.
Because there's only an imploding kitten left and then 18 billion cards left.
18 billion. True fact.
There are 18 billion cards on this deck.
Wait. Y'all are going in the wrong direction.
No, we're not.
There's
only
only
two people.
2
Yeah.
of us.
So that's
So it
why we're
doesn't
going
matter.
Kelsey to me.
After I died, she should have gone.
She is going. She's
Oh.
currently going right now.
Okay.
You
Well, never
get
mind.
this Kona!
Alright. I have altered the future
You're out
and
of the
taken
game.
my card.
You've drawn?
Yeah.
Cone Shane. Cone Shane.
He's out of
Look
the
at this
game.
dude at the Cone
And
Shane.
it's okay, I think he technically has it going the right way.
Technically, I guess.
It's the imploding kitten. So
Whoa, no!
So that means I have to put it back somewhere. In the
on the
deck.
bottom.
Oh, yeah.
Just so you can eat the
I'll
deck.
put it back wherever I want.
I forgot about that. I should have chosen that one
It's fine.
and then put it on top.
You're fine.
Alright.
Well, it's not on the top anymore.
That is definitely true.
Legally, that
But
is
we
true.
would
Oh,
see
it's
it
more than
coming,
legal.
wouldn't we?
Oh, it's
Ethically.
all perfectly legal.
Alright. So...
Don't show me your cards. You're very close to showing me your card.
Just help her out, dude. Tell her what she should do.
She should just draw. There's like we know
Okay.
that nothing bad is on top.
Just keep drawing.
That's true.
That camera really is moving.
Hi there, and welcome to a draw-off. The two of them are going to draw every single card in the frickin' deck. They're gonna swallow this deck whole, like Moby Dick.
Oh, I wanna...
Oh, she wants to do something.
Whoa!
Uh-oh.
I don't know. I
She's
always,
gonna see
I
the
always
future.
want to do something, but
See
I
the
can't.
future.
So,
I'm ready with the card.
give me...
I am so ready to play my card.
Okay, never mind.
This is getting dirty.
This is too many cards. I don't like this.
You want to do something with that?
It's gonna come down to just this.
Let's
Okay.
get down to business.
To defeat Brett.
Why me?
Because you're the antagonist.
You're the antagonist.
Why am I the bad guy?
Because she's the protagonist.
Why is she the
She's the least experienced in the game. She's the underdog.
Okay.
She's Rocky. You're Apollo Creed.
Oh, she's going off 5. She's going off 5. To pull what? What is she gonna pull?
An exploding kitten.
I'm gonna...
Dustin, check to make sure there
Alright.
are 5 different cards.
5 different cards.
I need Dustin to card
Confirmed.
check.
Confirmed.
Dustin to
Okay.
card check.
And I put them in here, and I'm gonna take whatever I want.
That's correct. She doesn't have to show us. I
I
guess.
don't have to tell you.
She pulls out the same card.
One of the
All
5
5
cards that
cards.
I
she got
don't
rid
know
of.
what card is good enough because the diffuses are useless now. So unless it's like an alter the future or like,
I mean,
There's still
it could be a nope or a skip.
exploding kittens in there, right?
Alter
No.
the Future is pretty good.
That's why we said diffuses were meaningless now.
there's an imploding kitten which if you get you cannot diffuse.
Did you get a diffuse?
It Whatever, I have too many cards still.
From what I don't know is I think you still have to draw a card.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because it's like you
I'm just gonna take these out. They mean nothing now.
Alright.
It's your turn.
This is dumb. It's on the bottom.
You don't know that.
You know you can always shuffle.
Yeah, it's right there. We can all see it. It's fine.
You don't know that.
Oh, I can shuffle it?
If you do shuffle, it has to be under the table.
And you don't get to pick how where it goes.
Yeah, you just shuffle it
I'm
in.
fine with that.
I've honestly been waiting to get a shuffle so I can do it because I realized how boring of a game I made by putting it on bottom.
I mean, strategically, it was the best play.
I don't know. It could be dangerous.
It's
What was that?
just
Okay.
paper.
Oh.
Now it's somewhere in there.
And you still have to draw though.
Alright, it's still.
My card.
Alrighty.
All right, it's your turn now.
What did you have, Joe?
Nothing.
Oh my
What?
God. All you had were cats. That's
Yeah.
crazy.
Uh oh. That's not good. Well, I shall
Okay.
draw from the bottom. We got 2 cards left.
Huh, I'm gonna draw from the bottom.
Whoa!
Okay.
Right, play a draw from the bottom.
I actually don't have any more.
They're all cats in your hand.
Kelsey, give me a
Huh.
random card.
Okay.
You gotta fan them out. No.
No, it's
you
random.
randomly.
Okay, I'll take the highest one.
How are you, viewer? You doing alright?
You're trying to say this isn't fun to watch?
No, I think it's extremely fun to watch. I love this
Kelsey.
game.
Huh.
Give me a random card. Okay. It's gonna happen a lot more, so get used to it.
Is he gonna get her diffuse?
Kelsey,
Might as well give
give me
it.
a random card.
Nope.
Nope, give me a random card. Okay.
See the future.
Hey, don't tell the other player.
Why not?
Kelsey,
It doesn't matter.
Kelsey, give me a random card.
Oh.
It was a beard cat.
Stop giving away my cards.
Shoot.
Scrambling.
He's freaking out. He's
Dear
freaking
dear.
Okay, I'll reverse. turn the reverse.
Reverse!
Oh!
Reverse means I don't have to draw.
Reverse, reverse. Reverse, reverse.
All right. Give me a card.
Give her a seat of the future.
No.
Give me a card.
God.
Just give her the nope if you're gonna give her. You can do it. Then diffuse.
Diffuse.
What? I mean, I guess you could do that. Yeah.
I don't know. I don't think there's no rule saying a dog can't play this game.
No rules saying a dog can't play basketball.
Mine is a targeted attack.
Oh, she's making me go twice? Well, I'll take you right back.
Oh,
So you have to go twice
I
now.
gotta go twice. I'm going. Oh, I gotta draw twice, basically.
You have to go twice unless you have another attack. If you have 2 skips or 2 reverses,
Well, she could draw twice if she wants to.
you could draw twice. Yes, that is true.
So,
Legally.
Can I use a reverse?
That counts as 1 turn, so you need to do another turn. Do your.
So if I shuffle, that doesn't count.
You can. It doesn't count as a turn though, but you can shuffle the deck.
What
If you're
counts as
doing
a turn? Can I see the future?
skipping or
Any card that says
target or reverse?
Any card on the bottom that says this ends your turn.
Because skipping,
I don't have any of those.
you might be in a tough spot.
And by a tough spot.
And I can't
You
do a
done.
diffuse because that puts
Do you
the
have 2
last
diffuses?
card. Yes.
Then you can steal a
Do you
card
have?
from me.
Or wait. Do you have 5 different cards? Because you could always just grab a skip.
Ah!
I just want to let you know, I got cards left though.
That's true. He does have a lot
Well,
of
that
cards.
would be my last option. I'm gonna do 5 cards
Let me confirm that they're all different.
and take this.
Let me double confirm, please.
Yes, please.
Take the reverse.
You still have a turn
Double
left.
And my other. This is my other return.
Triple confirm.
Turn the head around. She reversed again.
Oh!
If you noped it, that'd have been really funny.
I had to do
Nope.
it before he had to do it.
All right. Give me a card, Brandon.
You could have just attacked her.
Okay.
What was it?
It was 2 attacks. Oh, she gave me her diffuse.
Good card.
Oh,
I shall skip. It is now your turn, Kelsey.
it really is anyone's
I
game
gotta
now.
take it.
Boom!
Oh.
Brett wins. Dustin
Yeah.
loses. Joey loses. Kelsey loses. I won the game. And that's it. And that's it.
And now,
That's the way the
man.
news goes.
and now we cry.
Guys, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you want more exploding kittens or less Joey.
Let me know.
Or
Be honest.
more exploding Joey.
Or more Joey. We could edit him to be bigger. Smaller.
More have me be like just barely noticeable, like 10% bigger. Just like a little
If
bit
we
bigger.
shoot you on a green screen, maybe. I don't know.
God, that'd be really funny to. Okay, way too hard. It's not even think about it.
What else did I want to say? Thanks, Kelsey, for losing.
Mm-hmm. Put up a fight though.
Thanks, Brett, for winning.
Yes, thank you for thanking me.
Good job.
I guess I should just end the video.
Hey, bye.
Wait, do it like The Sopranos, where they end it halfway through.